I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for joining me. Today, I am going to make an owl on a budget using Dollar Tree items, and it's so stinking cute. I'm participating in a DIY, an inspired DIY challenge today, and my inspiration came from Crafted by Corie. She made this owl and it was adorable, and I thought, okay, I have had an owl on my crafting bucket list forever, and today's the day. Today I'm going to take it off the list and do it. So thank you Corie, for the inspiration, and I'm gonna make it my own, and let's go. I'm starting off by taking this Dollar Tree owl I found in styrofoam, and I also got some stringy wool yarn stuff from the thrift store, Salvation Army, and I thought, oh, this Salvation Army yarn would be perfect for just around the eye of the owl. So what I'm doing is making a small pom-pom. I took 3 of my fingers and wrapped the yarn around my finger about 7 or 8 times, and then I took the center of that, and I just used wire because I didn't have enough hands and I couldn't tie jute around it. And then you just snip the ends off, and so that's going to be the outside of the owl's eye. And then I'm going to take little glass beads, and they're going to be the center of the eye. The eye is the center of the eye. I used some a Sharpie marker and painted in a little bit of browns, a little bit of blacks, just to make it look more like an eyeball. Hey, I'm Sandy McKenzie, LumberMill DIY. I just want to inspire and motivate you to be the best version of yourself, to do some crafting, to be kind to yourself, and just enjoy the journey. You are going to learn so much by crafting and doing art and just really embracing creativity. So here I'm just weighing out my options. I could use some styrofoam balls wrapped with yarn. I could use that styrofoam owl wrapped in yarn. I can use faux fur, and then I ended up using the same thing Corie did, that mop head at Dollar Tree. It was just so fuzzy and cute. So I used that, and I don't know if I showed on video, but oh my gosh, I had like 15 silicone fingers out, and I managed to burn myself so bad. I got a blister. I'm still pouty. The struggle is real, my friends. Today's challenge is inspiration, DIY and inspiration. And it's not just about inspiration, like taking Corie's owl and it inspired me to make my own owl. It's also about me inspiring and motivating you. I'm hoping that you take some inspiration from my channel and my crafts and try them and make them on your own. But mainly when you're doing it, be kind to yourself. It doesn't have to be perfect. Embrace the imperfection and just have the sheer joy of creating. Don't be hard on yourself. Don't beat yourself up. And you know what? I always like, the first one might not turn out exactly how I want it, but what if I make 2? What if I make 5? What if I make 10? What if I make 100? You know what? Just take yourself, just be kind to yourself and don't be so hard on yourself, and take some motivation and inspiration from your original design. And don't beat yourself up. You can take that one as an inspiration and make some changes. So I like to surround myself with good people. People like Indiana Jones, Annalee Ashby, Sean Cannell, Heidi Samble. Those channels, they just remind me, those crafters and those friends, they remind me daily to be the best version of myself. And I'm hoping that I inspire and motivate you to be the best version of yourself. Be kind, give back, pay it forward, and just embrace life. Tomorrow's not promised, and let's be kind and get it done. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks Elena and Elizabeth for hosting such a great challenge. So much fun. Hope you come back for more. Be kind, stay safe, be the reason someone smiles today. Love you, bye.